We're here, guys, at the longest light in Connecticut. We've been here for at least 5 minutes. The worst part is nobody's coming. Oh, it's green. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
There's bikers.
Yeah, they're on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, thank God. We're on our way again, guys. That was a long standstill here. We're back on our way. We're on our way to... My blinker's still on. I always do that. We're on our way to import versus domestic, Lebanon Valley, dragway. So we're hoping to see some drag racing, hopefully some fast Hondas. And there's a car show there too. So we're going to hopefully enter in a car show if we get there in time. And yeah, I didn't even clean the car, guys. I'm super lazy. I mainly want to see drag racing. I might wash it over with some spray wax when we get there, but it's all wet anyway. We're just gonna cruise. We got about an hour and 20. Maybe we'll stop and get some food. But yeah, we'll probably link up with you guys when we get there. Thanks. So we made it. We are at Import vs. Domestic, Lebanon Valley, dragway. So we got some cars here. Show you guys what we're looking at. The Accords here, decently clean. I didn't go crazy. I just kind of gave it a little wipe down. Got some two-step going on over there. Got this Sentra. Altima, actually, my bad. Altima truck, Altima, pretty sick. VWs. I'm gonna take a little walk.
We are looking for 1150
and, take a look at some of these vehicles.
1150 index, lanes 3 and 4.
Gonna take a little walk. If I see that.
Person has it in there, one chill too.
Dang, up pipe. I gotta see. Yeah, they're 26. Yeah, 26s. That's something. K-Series. Old Del Sol action. A Ford. On different tires. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. This is sick. I don't even know what this is.
Attention to the pit. Attention to the pit. 950 in 5 and 6. Lanes 5 and 6.
Imported for Dodge. Saab, Honda, Volvo, Dodge. It looks like a Honda to me, but also not. Crazy. I don't know what this is, guys. Somebody tell me. I know, it says it's a Dodge. That's sweet. That thing looks cool as hell. Maserati. Look at this thing. This is rugged. Wow. Nice looking racing seats in there. Old Mazda over here. Dang, this thing's pretty sweet. Front mount turbo. Nice. Little Subaru on the end. Wow, 1039.
Left lane, BMW and Firematic lane.
nitrous.
TRX in the left lane, Camaro in the right lane.
Yeah, this one has nitrous in it. He didn't keep the momentum going enough. Now what is this? Is that a... I think that is a... Oh no, it's a town. See, that one burns real good. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, he's so clear. He's like, what are you driving? You're not driving your boat. He got him. By the time you're done doing a quarter mile, you're at 98. That's fast. It's fast, but not. Once you start to get to 120, 130, that's when you're doing fast in the quarter. I mean, as far as miles.
Civic hatchback in the right lane.
Bushes, but I think that's serious.
Attention pits, Austin 10.
912. Can't do the burnout.
A little bit later on today, we got the low car limbo.
Nice looking Accord.
We'll let you guys know when it's ready. Once we got it set up,
Super
we'll
clean.
just ask you guys to roll out.
Super clean.
And we'll also have the two-step battle. We got awards for both the low car limbo and the two-step battle. Man, my man on the MK4, he didn't even pay you no attention. He's on his phone. He's on Instagram or something. All right, Red Supra, you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Jeez. Man, you even want to go heads up with him? Or you gonna? All right, he said, why not, right? All right, both cars on 3, 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm gonna make this real easy for everybody. If you want the sword to win, make some noise. If you want the Red Supra to win, make some noise. Okay. All right, sword, appreciate. Damn, bro, I just said congratulations and you hit me like that. We hope everybody had a good time. Make sure you follow us on Instagram for future announcements.
50 index.
This is actual elimination now.
Nothing goes 64 and 50 to 8. a 12, or 1150, excuse me, to a 1355.
Yeah.
Left lane, correct. Right lane.
It's gonna run faster than 1150 with that thing.
Units in the left lane. Right side couldn't run the number. They had a 215 light. The Corvette's 233 light. Reaction time in the left lane. Force the other car to break out. And
Look, guys, I got an award. Hell yeah, top 50. That's pretty sweet, guys. First one. Add this to the collection of none. First one. That's sweet. Got Naomi taking some shots at the trophy. Wow, guys. I never won anything before. Pretty excited. Oh, just for the picture?
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
I didn't know you.
It's all good. I'm excited, guys. Holy crap. This feels good. Awesome.
Eat, sleep, race.
Sweet. Well, not much racing over here, but definitely showing. I'm proud of it. I'm happy. It looks good. Came out here and we placed. We got a top 50 and I didn't even wash it. That's awesome, guys. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna get going soon, so talk to you in a few.
What is it that you wanted to do?
I've been talking about maybe putting a vibrant muffler on, like a vibrant resonator at the back. I don't know if it would hurt performance. That's one of those things where you kind of got to test it out at the dyno to know. But sometimes the car's a little loud on long trips like this. It's not bad right now. It's more on the highway. I'm stuck behind a slow car right now, but when you're cruising, it can drone a little bit. And I just wonder maybe a vibrant muffler would kill the drone, but still allow it to sound good, you know? I don't want to miss out. You may hear more turbo noise too, but it does have the open dump, so when you do hit 10 pounds, it'll still be super loud because it's dumping the entire manifold, you know what I'm saying? Once you hit 10 pounds and the wastegate opens, it dumps right at the ground, so it would still be super loud under wide open. So that's it, guys. We're back from the drag racing and Lebanon Valley. It was pretty sick. Good first time there, obviously. Took home my first award ever, even though it was a top 50 award. Still feels good. I like it. Anyway, the car did great. No hiccups on the trip. This thing's really reliable, guys. I really can't stress how solid this setup is. And I was just driving on the highway the other night, thrashing on it, and it just loves life, guys. Just punching it in 5th gear, loading it up, you know, and it just takes a beating, and it does not. It doesn't fight back. It loves life. So, yeah, all the more reason to turbo your Accord and use my videos as a guide, you know. But hopefully you guys enjoy. It just locked itself. I don't know if you guys heard that. Sometimes when it rains, it locks itself. We're gonna do it. Look, I don't have the remote in my hands at all right now. I don't think it's gonna do it again. Too funny. Anyway, that's that, guys. This video is over, and I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for more. We'll be doing more with the Honda. Got more to do with the truck. There's always more to do here with the cars. I'm working on the bus transmission tonight. I think that's what I'm going to start. So I'm going to get the vlog fired up, and we'll see if we can work on that. I'm getting a new camera, so look forward to that. New camera's going to be pretty sweet, so I won't tell you guys what it is, but maybe you guys can guess. It's going to be a nice vlogging camera, so pretty excited. Making big moves, looking at houses, all that good stuff. So yeah, stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.